Hello students, today we will do political maps. What are political maps? Today we will understand what do you mean by political maps. Political maps are among the most widely used reference maps. They are mounted on the walls of classroom throughout the world. They show the geographic boundaries between governmental units such as countries, states, and counties. They show roads, cities, and major water features such as oceans, rivers, and lakes. Now, students, we will understand the four cardinal direction or cardinal points such as north. This is north, students. This is south, east, and this side is west. There are intercardinal directions also, which we will understand with smaller arrows. The areas which lie between north and east are referred to as northeast directions. The states which are in between south and east are known as south or will be covering in southeast directions. The areas which are under south and west will be in between southwest directions, and the states which will be in between north and west will be in the direction northwest. So students, these are the intercardinal directions. The main directions are north, south, east, and west, and these four are intercardinal directions. Moving on to forward, these are the main north, south, east, and west. The states which will be towards north will be in the direction of north. The states toward east will be in the direction east. States towards south will be in the direction south. And the state towards west will be in the direction west. After explaining you the states, I will again explain you, will be giving you the examples of different types of directions. Then you will be able to learn it properly. So from starting from the south direction, first state is Karnataka. Karnataka, the capital is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Just above the Karnataka, we have Maharashtra, and the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Mumbai. Just above the Maharashtra, we have the central part of our country, India, which is Madhya Pradesh, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. With Madhya Pradesh towards west direction or towards west cardinal direction, we have Gujarat and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Above Gujarat, we have this light pink shade area which is Rajasthan, and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. And last but not the least area which we have Goa. Smallest area wise state is Goa, and the capital of Goa is Panji. Panaji. In this spelling, students, second A is silent. You will not pronounce it like Panaji. You will pronounce it like Panji. Capital of Goa is Panji. So students, we have done states such as Karnataka, capital is Bengaluru; Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai; Madhya Pradesh, capital is Bhopal; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur; Goa, capital is Panji. Now students, this type of map, plain political map, what you have to do, you have to paste it in your notebook, and you have to mention all these 6 states which I have explained it to you with colors like this, or you can change the colors, you can fill it with your favorite colors also. Therefore students, now I will explain it to you in the plain map. First I have told you Karnataka. I will be explaining it to you with the initials of the states Karnataka. Then I have explained you Maharashtra. After that we have done Madhya Pradesh, which is in the central part of our country India. After that we have done Gujarat towards west. And then we have done here Rajasthan. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Now students, in Goa we often confuse. Therefore, this particular dot is Goa. And capital of Goa is Panji. P-A-N-A-J-I. Therefore, we have done Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Students, now we will understand them with the cardinal directions and intercardinal directions. This was north, this is south, east and west. Now students, here we have done Karnataka. Now Karnataka is in which intercardinal direction? It is in between south-west. The cardinal direction of Karnataka will be southwest. Same with the Goa. It will be on southwest. And same with the Maharashtra also. It will be southwest. But cardinal direction of Gujarat will be west, only west part of India, west side of India. And students, when we will talk about Rajasthan, here we have Rajasthan. Now the cardinal direction or intercardinal direction and intercardinal direction of Rajasthan will be northwest. Now I hope that it is clear to you. The states which lie between north cardinal and west cardinal will be called as northwest. Same as if I will be talking about these states, then they will lie in between south east. And if I will talk about these states, then they will lie between north east. I hope cardinal directions, intercardinal directions and the states are being clear to you, everyone. We have done Karnataka. At last I am again repeating. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Goa. You have to mark them and you have to mention their capitals also on the next page. Thank you, students.